Hello, how are you doing? I hope you are well these days. Welcome to the Winmate webinar. When people think of IT mobilities, the images most immediately conjure regard smartphone, tablet PCs, notebooks from well-known brands like Apple, Samsung, HP, Acer, and many more. In truth, the mobile devices landscape could be considered broader than these, especially when mobile devices operate in a niche market like aerospace, anti-explosion, healthcare, defense, this kind of change environment. My name is Darren Wang, and I'm the Senior Marketing Manager at Winmate. Winmate is a pioneer and the enabler of rocket computing technology with more than 26 years of experience, particularly in rocket mobile devices. In today's briefings, I will introduce our brand new Rocky laptop series. Through the laptop is 360-degree design. Our laptop can also transform into a tablet for each critical mission, including virussing, investigating, or documenting for criminals for public safety, defense, manufacturing for car workshop or factory floor, and other demanding or rigorous environments. Let's see the slide. In today's plan, I will divide my presentation into three parts. In the beginning, I will talk about the market trend and the industry challenges. Then I will give you an overview of Rocky Laptop series. You will realize what vertical markets we are focusing on, what we made Rocky Laptop series look like, and its key selling points. Also, I will show you more details further. After that, we will look at cash sharing in different industries. In the end, I will show you why Winmate can be your trustworthy partners and what's our value to you. Here is the market share from VDC Research report. The market value of Rocky Laptop and Rocky Tablet is around $2 to $3 billion. Currently, Rocky Laptops are still the preferred productivity tools for the mobile workforce in most industries. Two-in-one devices are catching up in demand as they can be used as both a tablet and a laptop, which provides mobility and performance in the same machine. As we know, when mobile devices operate in a niche market, they may encounter different challenges. Device failure has been a significant challenge in harsh working environments in many industries. Here are the most common scenarios that cause device failures, like drop or knock against service accidentally while carrying it, liquid spills such as water or chemicals, fail off from docking station with improperly mounting weight. Damages that were caused by such drops and spills often result in these component failures, including screens, connectors, keyboards, and storage drives. Outcomes of device failure are involved in loss of productivity, loss of sales, critical data, repairs, cost, even people's lives. Besides roughness, we list other market drivers that a customer may concern about, such as extended battery life for uninterrupted options, software support in different operating systems, connectivities for accessing and collecting data, working performance. Also, physical keyboards need to resist water and dust in harsh conditions or adjust the brightness automatically based on the dark or bright conditions. A bigger screen should support multiple touching options for both indoors and outdoors. So what does Winmate Rocky Laptop series look like? This is our Winmate Rocky Convertible Laptop series, L140, including 13-inch and 14-inch models. These two models have the same motherboard, so they have almost the same configurations. The main difference is on the screen, like screen size, contrast ratio, panel brightness, and the view angles. Our Rocky laptop focuses more on public safety agencies like the police, fire, and defense departments. Also, it can be used on the factory floor or in the car workshop for manufacturing and vehicle diagnostics. The public utility sector and the manufacturing industry have widely spread workers. Nowadays, Rocky laptops have become indispensable due to their portability and durability. Let's see what key selling points does Winmate's Rocky laptops have. First of all, is the housing protection. Our Rocky laptops are compliant with military standard 18H. It can withstand 3 feet drop, shock, heavy vibration, extreme temperatures, and humidity. So workers or military personnel can focus on their job without worrying about dropping or knocking the tablet PC against hard surface. Also, our laptop have complete IP65 grade protection, and it's quite different user experience than we usually use at home. This is one of our Rocky laptop benefits over consumer laptops. For the organization, using these for a long term provide a better return on investment. Once again, the personnel can focus on the mission even in raining weather conditions without worrying about the device failure. Then it's the convertible form factors. Through the 2-in-1 and the 360-degree hinge design, our Rocky laptop can be used as a notebook and a tablet PC. User can change touchscreen mode promptly by the utilities in hardtech utility. The touchscreen accepts touch input from bare fingertips and rubber tips passive stylus, regardless of which model you use. In the RAM mode, the touchscreen rejects both input from liquid drops. In the stylus mode, the touchscreen enhances to support input from the fine-tip passive capacitive stylus with palm rejection. In the glove mode, the touchscreen enhances to support input while the user is operating the touchscreen with gloves on. To enhance security, our Rocky laptop comes with a TPM 2.0 chip. The TPM is a tiny chip on your computer's motherboard, sometimes separate from the main CPU and the memory. The chip is similar to the security alarm every time you walk in the door, or the authenticator app you use usually on your phone to log into your bank account. In this scenario, turning on your computer is analogous to opening the front door of your home or entering your username and password into a login page. If you don't key in a code within a short period of time, alarms will sound or you won't be able to access your money. Likewise, after you press the power buttons on a new PC, they use full disk encryption and the TPM. The tiny chip will supply a unique code called cryptographic key. If everything is normal, the drive encryption is unlocked and your computer starts up. If there's a problem with the key, perhaps a hacker stole your laptop and try to tamper with the encrypt drive inside, your PC won't boot up. Biometric authentication and compatibilities with salty mobile control help secure the device's access both locally and remotely. Salty mobile control is a mobile devices management software. It lets you efficiently manage multiple device types such as Rocky mobile devices, handheld, smartphone, vehicle-mounted computers, wearable, and a laptop. It can protect devices, data, and the worker with security features. Take lockdown mode as an example. It can restrict mobile devices to business critical apps to ensure workers' productivity and stop downloading rogue apps or data stealing malware. Take geofencing as an example. Grant access to specific features when devices entering a location-based G-force and remove access when device exit. Also, when devices issues occur, remote into the devices to diagnose, troubleshoot, and resolve the issue in minutes, not hours. Staying connected anytime, anywhere with multiple wireless connectivity options is a very appealing and helpful point to users. If you are away from Wi-Fi access, you can switch to the Wi-Fi to access the internet. Bluetooth connectivity allows the capability to connect wireless microphone or headphone. With the global navigation satellite systems, GNSS modules such as GPS or GLONASS, both the workers and tablet PC can check in real time. It also comes with the latest Wi-Fi 6 that offers unbelievable connectivity with speed around 9 gigabytes per second for instant downloads. This speed is around 30% faster than the previous generation Wi-Fi 5. To meet each scenario, we offer a flexible and optical space, optional space to apply. The first option is to use it with the storage and smart card readers. Users can store critical data and upgrade M.2 SSD up to 2 terabytes. Also, we can filter authorize personnel to access the laptop by the smart card readers. In the other way to use it, we reserve signals including USB 3.0, PCIe 5.4, and power 5 voltage and 1 amperes. Customer can designate preferred I/O port to access signals I mentioned. Through the dual hot swap battery design, it provides continuous electricity to the laptop, so it's ready for the day shift, night shift, and everything in between. Winmate L140 series bundled with 11th generation Intel Tiger Lake processor. Intel claimed Tiger Lake processor is better overall 20% faster than the previous generation's ones. Let me show you more detail of our Rocket Laptop L140 series. Here are the front and the rear sides. As you see, there is a top cover latch on the front side. It can fasten the laptop quickly, whether you close the computers or convert it as the tablet PC. Hinge is the soul of the Rocket convertible laptop, which was designed robust and sturdy to withstand each transformation. Through the vehicle docking connector, we can expand the I/O ports, fasten the whole laptop, and enhance wireless connectivity like global navigation satellite systems, wireless local area network, and wireless wide area network. Also, the carrying handle can be detachable to meet each scenario. On the right side, there are audio jack, HDMI, USB Type-C, USB Type-A, RJ45, and the power jack in order. As I mentioned, we design a flexible and optional space to apply on the left side. Once again, the first option is using it with the storage and the smart card readers. We can upgrade M.2 SSD up to 2 terabytes. The smart card readers can filter authorized personnel to access the laptop, PCIe by 4, power 5 voltage, and 1 amperes for customized applications. On the top open side, it has a dual digital microphone, 200 megapixels front cameras, 13 or 14-inch touchscreen based on the model you choose, physical buttons, and LED indicators. On the seashell of the top open side is a rotary keyboard with backlight. Through Winmate's built-in hot tab utilities, customer can select the colors of the backlit keyboards, including red, green, blue, and the other brightness level. In addition, it has the fingerprint scanners, 800 megapixels rear cameras, high frequencies of ID readers, and touchpad. On the bottom side, it has two hot-swap batteries, as the right photo showed. You can see a circle buttons when you turn over the battery. Once you push the buttons, you can know the remaining electricity promptly. There is a service window that the users can upgrade different modules by themselves, such as Wi-Fi modules, Wi-Fi module, and a memory. Let's see the case sharing further. It may give you some clues or ideas to know how to use our Rocky laptop in your project. The first case is about public emergency service. When firefighters arrive at the fire scene, they have to analyze and integrate complicated information from everywhere, even communicate with the emergency command centers. In this kind of chaotic scenario, your device may encounter drop, vibration, dust, and waters. Also, firefighters have to touch the panel promptly in different touching modes. By adopting Winmate 13-inch Rocky laptop models, firefighters can focus on their mission without worrying their devices are durable enough. Firstly, they can connect and access information from anywhere with multiple wireless connectivity options. Also, the devices is compliant with the military standard APN Edge and support IP65 grade protection. Firefighters can instantly switch various touch modes via Winmate software in both notebook and the tablet PC to meet each scenario. This case is about public safety. When policemen conduct law enforcement, they may investigate the criminal or document an incident. Policemen are constantly in motion, shock, and vibration. As you know, the computer is weak to stay in these kind of circumstances or environments. In addition, some policemen are used to typing with the physical keyboard. The regular tablet PC can equip with it. On the other hand, policemen may have restricted space in the police car, so a suitable and expandable docking station is quite important to them. Based on the challenges I mentioned, our Rocky laptop are compliant with the military standard APN Edge and have IP65 grade protection. With a stylish quadric keyboard and a changeable backlight, user can select the color of the backlit keyboard, including red, green, blue, and the brightness level. They don't need to worry if the laptop will fall or be destroyed in law enforcement. This case is about automotive manufacturing and diagnostics. Nowadays, there are 1.2 billion cars, 330 million fleet vehicles, and 25 petabytes of driving data per day. Vehicle will produce a flow of data in the following years. Based on the trend, vehicle diagnostics definitely becomes more and more critical now. So what's the vehicle diagnostic exactly in the automotive industry? Vehicle diagnostic is used in efficient and accurate manufacturing diagnostics and maintenance with increased reliance on car sensor and control system. The vehicle must be carefully designed to ensure the safety of the drivers, passenger, pedestrian, and other vehicles. To improve the quality and reduce error in these systems, automotive suppliers require good diagnostic tools to detect and discover any faults that appear within the automotive system, such as tire pressure, engine health, or battery voltage, and many more. Let me show you the picture, and you will realize how the vehicle is complicated with the increasing electronic control units. We call it ECU. With the technology innovation and the increasing ECU, the vehicle must control and access diversified information as the picture showed. Also, we noticed the increasing ECU as one of the key market drivers for automotive diagnostics. On average, cars today can easily have 80 to 100 ECU covering different systems in the car, which range from advanced driver assistance systems, dashboard, powertrain, gateway, chassis, body electronics, and hybrid EV. This ECU increase the safety of automobiles, which makes them more efficient and comfortable for passengers. However, when you use a lot of ECU in a car, this ECU may produce error codes when these are some problem in the system, and it can be accessed through the onboard diagnostic port. Automotive manufacturers or diagnostic tools providers are required to read error codes, identify faults, and program the ECU back to their normal operating status. Our case sharing are focused on two main areas, which are manufacturing and the after-sales service market. In manufacturing, our Rocky tablet and Rocky laptops are being used to program the ECU by technicians. They are also used in the test of the OEM software or sensor calibration to ensure proper operations before the automotive launch to the market. In the after-sales market, our Rocky tablet PCs and the Rocky laptop become part of the diagnostic tools keyed to run the diagnostic software during repair and maintenance. They are also used to reprogram or restate the diagnostic error codes or SS repair manuals in the repairing process. One critical upcoming application is the calibration of the sensors involved in the ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. ADAS calibration can be divided into two parts, including static calibration and dynamic calibration. Static calibration is usually done on the factory floor before delivering the new vehicles to customers. It also can be applied in car workshops like part replacement or wheel alignment after drivers experience accidents or regular checkups. Dynamic calibration is achieved through driving on the well-marked road. Requirements for these ADAS calibrations may vary based on vehicle manufacturers. And here is an application diagram on how the diagnostic error codes are read from the vehicle to the end devices running the diagnostic software. At the far end of the diagram, we have automobiles, inclusive of motorcycles, cars, or heavy vehicles. In the center is the vehicle communication interface hardware that reads the error codes from automobiles through the OBD port. Then the data will be transmitted by Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB port. On the left side, we have an end-user devices, either a tablet or laptop, that runs the diagnostic software from these BCI and OEM providers. After the laptop or tablet receives the data, it will download or upload the corresponding information according to each car models. Further, access to videos and the tutorials on Winmate Rocky laptop enables inexperienced technicians to undertake inspection, maintenance, and repair across vehicle types and models. Through this structure, technicians can finish the task easily and improve efficiency. Today, our focus is on these end-user devices, how Winmate Rocky laptop and tablet PC provide mobility and versatility for automotive diagnostics. Besides the diagnostic function, technicians also can access maintenance manuals for fleet management and many more applications. Let's see what challenges do they have in the automotive industry. Firstly, as I mentioned, onboard diagnostic is a very complicated process. Sometimes the data you get is not only text but also diagrams and charts. The devices must be big enough to display sufficient vehicle information and task plan. Technicians usually work with gloves while performing car inspection, so adjusting the parameter of the touch panel is also important. Devices carried around in workshops are frequently dropped by workers. Electricity for the day shift and the night shift is also important. Based on these challenges, we have 13.3-inch and a 14-inch model to display comprehensive diagram and charts. Users can switch various touching modes via Winmate software instantly. Military standard 18H, IP65 grade protection, and dual hot swap battery design. After listening to my briefings, you may still have a question mark. Why we need to choose Winmate and what's the difference between Winmate and the other competitors? I list a few points here. In the beginning, according to the report from BBC Research, Winmate is the top 2 player for rugged mobile devices in the EMEA area. The second point is technology innovation. To launch innovative and reliable products and service customer effectively, we have flexible and complete function team from design, manufacturing to after-sales support. We currently have 400 employees worldwide, and the R&D team takes up 40% of the company. The third point is customization and flexibility. Compared to the other competitors, we may offer better terms for customized requirements, such as less MOQ and NRE fee. The fourth one is time to market. To speed up time to market and offer customer one-stop shop service, Winmate has a complete lineup and pass the barriers and 3 certificates in advance, such as oil and gas, medical application, transportation, marine, and many more. In the end, it's global support and service network. At Winmate, we prioritize our global service capabilities. In industrial application, customers usually use their product for 5 to 10 years. Therefore, product quality, customer service, and after-sales support are critical to us. To offer excellent customer service and after-sales support, we have numerous branches spread across Asia, Europe, and North America. This means we can promptly and effectively respond to customers all around the world. We may provide not only well-defined and ready-to-use products, but also professional service in customizing products and project management to meet each unique customer's needs in various markets. Our products are built to fit diversified markets such as automotive, military, healthcare, marine, transportation, oil and gas, and many more. We also have passed the required certification to ensure the safety and durability of our respective products in those industries. This brings me to the end of the section about the Winmate Rugged Laptop overview. Let me just run over the key points again. Firstly, based on the BBC research report, laptop is still the preferred productive tool over using the tablet PC. Our rugged laptops are more focusing on the police, fire, defense department, as well as the manufacturing and the repair workshop. Then I show you the key selling points of the Winmate Rugged Laptop series: housing protection for drop, shock, vibration, dust, and water. Convertible form factors to switch between laptop and tablet PC promptly. Security system including TPM 2.0 chip, fingerprint scanners, salty mobile devices management software, comprehensive connectivity, flexibilities, and outstanding performance. Also, we go through the case sharing and tell you why Winmate can be your trustworthy partners and offer value to your business. Okay, so here is my contact information. You are welcome to add me on LinkedIn. You also can search my name, Darren Wang, on LinkedIn. Even send me an email. So see you next time. Bye-bye.